FLINT's able to help the customers by converting anything that they need to custom fit their needs, and we pride ourselves in same day shipment, if not same day, next day, because a lot of our customers want it right now, and we make sure we move heaven and earth to get it done.
A lot of the heavy equipment dealers, when they needed a hydraulic pump or a hydraulic motor for a specific machine, their only option was to go back to the headquarters nationally and try to find that particular component. And the availability nationally might be 8, 10, 12 weeks. What we were able to do is custom build the same product from the same manufacturer of a component overnight and ship it directly to their customer or directly to them.
We primarily service off-highway equipment, and that mainly involves construction, agriculture, forestry, stuff like that. Our biggest number of customers are actually end users and replacement part suppliers. So big guys that call us in on behalf of customers or customers directly who need something quick.
Any type of customer that's looking for same or next day availability in the aftermarket will find FLINT as somebody that understands their business.
The thing that makes FLINT the best partner for our parts is the experience and the information that we have at hand. We serve as a source of parts and we serve as a source of knowledge.
We have factory trained technicians with years and years of experience in the business. We test everything religiously. Every single product is tested. Our customers come back to us again and again.